So I took this trade and this particular trade. So I'm going to explain these trades in a bit. So looking at the 4 hours, we can see we had a break of structure, price started moving to the buy side. But then we had this price push to the sell side, giving us a market structure shift, or what some of us we know as change of character right here. Then we dropped down to the 1 hour. Then we had some moments of indecisiveness around this area, because if you look at the 30 minutes, we can see we keyed off this extreme order block, price moved up. Then we tested this institutional swing points just right about this area. And I think we run liquidity on a lower time frame too as well. So if I look at the 15 minutes, I can see we took out liquidity right there and price started dropping, giving us a break of structure. Then price went higher and entered a liquidity zone. So this is an extreme order block right there, and taking out liquidity above this high. So around that area was where I took my first entry, and I was aiming for price to take out this particular low right here. So you can see that we started creating lower lows, and all of a sudden while price was delivering, we had another lower low, and price eventually took out this area. So that was how I was able to take this first position right here. So the second position is the moment price dropped lower to this level, I went down to the 1 minute, and I was still looking for the same structure, liquidity, and POI. So I can see that price pushed down, giving us a break of structure below this low. But this was the internal break of structure right here. So the curve, internal break of structure. So I waited for price to retrace into that liquidity zone, keying off this internal institutional swing points, which is the internal break of structure. That's where I had my second entry. And where was my target? I was targeting that price should take out this low. Why this low? It was because if you go back to the 4 hours, you see that if below this swing low, we had this series of inefficiencies right here. And if you drop down to the 15 minutes, we can see that we have this point of interest over here, and we can see how clear the inefficiencies are around that area. And if you extend it in time, you can see that's an institutional swing point right there. So you can see the moment price dropped into it, price reacted off that area immediately. So this is how we do it over here: structure, liquidity, and POI. If you find value in this video, you know what to do. You hit the follow, and always profitable.